This message is about understanding why many relationships fail and why being overly nice can sometimes push people away, explaining that constantly sacrificing yourself, chasing approval, and needing someone too much can make you seem insecure and predictable, while confidence comes from having your own life, boundaries, and choices. Because people are not attracted to desperation, but to someone who chooses them freely. And the real lesson is that respect grows when you stand up for yourself. Keep your independence, and don't abandon your values just to please someone. Since attraction is built on self-respect, balance, and strength, not on overgiving, fear of loss, or trying too hard to be perfect, this message explains that people sometimes test you by trying to make you jealous, starting arguments, or pushing your boundaries to see if you will lose yourself for them. And most people fail because they are afraid to walk away. But real strength is calmly saying you care while refusing disrespect. Because attraction is not about being mean or playing games, but about self-respect, honesty, and clear standards, as history and human nature show that the ability to walk away from bad situations signals strength and stability. And the most attractive people are not those who leave to manipulate others, but those who leave because they truly value themselves, their time, and their values, which naturally makes others respect them more. So the lesson is to stop chasing approval, stop tolerating poor treatment, and choose yourself every day. Because when people see that your presence is a choice and not something they can take for granted, they treat you with more respect and value.